Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So a month ago I made this video where I shared with you a couple of outfits which were inspired by Shraddha Kapoor in her movie OK Janu, and a lot of you requested me to make a video similar to that. So that is exactly what I'll be doing today. I decided to recreate 3 outfits that Alia Bhatt wore in her recent movie Badrinath Ki Dulhania. Now from what I could tell from the songs and the trailer that I saw of the movie, most of the outfits are Indo-Western, which actually made it even more difficult for me to find like similar pieces, but I've tried my best to recreate them as close as I could. So yeah, let's just get started with the video. So for the first look, I decided to recreate this very vibrant and colorful look wherein she's wearing this bright blue kurti with an ethnic waistcoat or a koti, and she paired this look with a pair of khaki ripped jeans, but I couldn't find a jeans similar to hers. So I just decided to go with these ripped jeans. Now the blue kurti is from Colaba Causeway and I got it for rupees 200. And I got the ethnic overcoat stitched. Ripped jeans are from Hill Road for rupees 500. Since we can't really tell what she's wearing on her feet, I just decided to go with these jutis, which are again from Colaba Causeway for rupees 200. Her hair is tied back and she's wearing these really small delicate earrings. I got mine from Colaba Causeway for rupees 100. Along with these silver bangles, which were for rupees 30 again from Colaba Causeway. Throughout the movie, she's seen wearing this bright pink lipstick, so I wore this Maybelline Color Show lipstick, which I will link in the description box below. So yeah, this is what the first look looks like. I think I got pretty close with this look. Now the second look is one of my favorites, is the one where she's wearing this black kurti that has a polka dot print going on, along with a bright orange scarf that again has some sort of print on it. Now since she was going for the whole print on print look, I decided to do the same thing. I got my kurti from Colaba Causeway for rupees 200 along with this scarf which has tassels on it, which was for 150 rupees. And she's wearing this pair of light blue denims which fit her really well. Mine are from Forever New. Now again, since you can't really see what she's wearing on her feet, I decided to go with these black sandals which are from Forever 21. She's seen wearing this tan bag, so I decided to add this fringe bag which is from Colaba for rupees 500. As for the accessories, she's again wearing these silver bangles which I got from Colaba Causeway for rupees 30. Along with this press-on nose ring that I got from Colaba Causeway again for rupees 50. And yeah, this is what the whole outfit looks like. Now the third and final look is very unusual and different to my style. I usually wouldn't try it out, but I'm so glad that I did. It's the one where she's wearing this floral kurti along with like a black overcoat. So I got the floral kurti from Colaba Causeway for rupees 200, and I added this black ethnic vest which I got stitched again from a tailor. I wore the same blue wash jeans from Forever New, the flats from Forever 21, the fringe sling bag from Colaba Causeway. And as for the earrings, I decided to go with these statement earrings which I got from Colaba Causeway for rupees 100. And I wore this pale pink lipstick by Huda Beauty in the shade Venus. So yeah, this is what it looks like when all the elements are put together. So yeah, those were my recreations of Alia Bhatt's outfits that she wore in Badrinath Ki Dulhania. I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on my social medias, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!